Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check camera details in your Android phone. Now to check your camera details properly or accurately, you have to download a third-party apps from Google Play Store, and the app's name is Dev Check Device and System Info. You can see in my phone it's already installed, so just open the app and from here find camera option. That's it. Then just tap here. And from here you can check your camera details. From here you can check your rear camera. You can see it's 12.5 megapixel and 1.8 aperture. And from here you can check your resolution, sensor size, pixel size and anything as you want. Now if you scroll down, and from here you can check your front camera 1 details. If you scroll down again, from here you can check your rear camera 2 details and front camera 2 details. And that is how you can check camera details in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.